Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that all are well and living safe life at your home. Now today, let us we discuss about some problems depend on your book. All these questions depend on page number 30. Okay. So first we discuss about first question is Sumit bought a car for rupees 6,85,385 and refrigerator for rupees 38,965. How many much did he spend all together? So in this question what we will do? We will find out the total amount spent by Sumit. So what we will do? For calculation of total amount, now let us we add these two numbers. The cost of car is 6,85,385 and cost of refrigerator is rupees 38,965. Then we will add these two numbers. Now let us we discuss. As you know very well, 5 plus 5 10, 0 carry over is 1, 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 6 15, 5 carry over is 1, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 9 13, 3 carry over is 1, 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 8 14, 4 carry over is 1, 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 3 12, 2 carry over is 1, 1 plus 6 7. So your answer is total amount spent by Sumit is rupees 7,24,350. Okay. My next question is, please you look here. The number of children in one city is 8,48,396. The neighboring city has 7,19,289 children. How many more children are there in the first city in the second city? Okay. So as you know my dear student, in this question what we will do? In this question there are two cities. First is this is the first city and this is the first city and this is neighboring city. In first city number of children is 8,48,396. Now in neighboring city the number of children is 7,19,289. So as you know very well, number of city in children has more, number of city 1 children has more. So I have one question. Number of city 1 is children has more, but how many students are more? So what we will do? We can separate second number from the first number. So look here. We cannot separate 9 from 6. So what we will do? We take one number borrow from 9. So it will be 8 and it will be 16. 16 minus 9 7, 8 minus 8 0, 3 minus 2 1. We cannot separate 9 from 8. So what we will do? We take one number borrow from 4. So it will be 3 and it will get 18. 18 minus 9 9, 3 minus 1 2, 8 minus 7 1. So 1,29,107 children are more than neighboring city. This is the answer of the required question. Okay. My next question is, A shirt and a pair of trousers cost rupees 2250. What is the cost of 1024 such sets? So what we will do? In this question we will find out the product of these two numbers. Okay, as you are looking, cost of a shirt and a pair of trousers is rupees 2250. So let us find out cost of 1024 such sets will be 1024 into 2250. Okay, now let us discuss. As you are looking in this paper, 0 into 4 0, 0 into 2 0, 0 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0. Again 5 4 ja 20, 0 carry over is 2, 5 2 ja 10, 10 plus 2 12, 5 1 ja 5. Again 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 2 into 0 0, 2 1 ja 2. Again 2 multiplied by 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 2 into 0 0, 2 1 ja 2. Now let us add all these number. This is 0 0, 2 plus 8 10, 0 carry over is 1. Please look here, 1 plus 1 2 plus 4 6 plus 8 14, 4 carry over is 1. 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 4 10, 0 carry over is 1. 1 plus 2 3, and this is 2. So the cost of 1024 sets will be ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 23 lakh 4,000 rupees is the answer of required question. Okay, I have one more question. 40,960 chocolates gems are packed equally in 128 cartons. How many chocolates gems are packed in one carton? So in this question what we will do? The meaning is chocolate gems are packed in one carton will be 40,960 divided by 128. So what we will do? Look here. 40,960 is dividend and 128 is divisor. It is not necessary to learn the table of 128. By the help of 12 we can take out the answer. As you know, 12 3 are 36, 12 4 are 48. 48 is not possible, so there will be 3 or less than 3. 128 into 3 you will get 384. After subtraction we will get 9 minus 4 5. We cannot subtract 8 from 0. So what we will do? We take one number borrow from 4. So it will be 3 and it will be 10. 10 minus 8 2, 3 minus 3 0. We can note down next number. So it will be 256. 128 into 2 it will get 256. Okay, we can note down next number 0. 0 divided by any number you will get always 0, so it will here 0. The meaning is 320 chocolates gems will be packed in one carton. So my dear students, all these questions are depend on your book, and all these are solution of the given question. I think it will be very easy to you for your knowledge and exam. Thank you. God bless you.